this plywood to make the walls of the doghouse. We are all ready to assemble the doghouse today. Oh, the toolkit is outside with all the materials we need to make the doghouse. Stella! Yeah, frame is all completed. Frame is all completed. Taking the measurements for the doghouse walls. We are finishing up on the doghouse. We bought this plastic sheet yesterday to put the roof, to make a roof out of it. It will be like a skylight. It will look really cute. It's looking really cute already. And I'm going to paint it too. We're painting the doghouse.
Ain't gonna let Colin do it by himself. You know Colin, you know he gotta come in with you and help you. He ain't gonna let you do it by himself.
He wouldn't let me do the doghouse, would he?
Colin said he was getting the praise for that doghouse.
He got the doghouse.
He said you got the praise for putting those shelves in.
He had already contributed with those beautiful tools. Without those, I would
That
never.
helped you a lot, huh? That's good.
Lord. Then we had to figure out the roof. We had time to try to figure out the roof out there. Yeah, the roof idea was also his.
We are now painting this barn doghouse red. The masking tape is going to come off and it's going to be white, so it'll look like a barn door on the left and a type of window at the top. And we still have the opening right here for the dog to go through. The sides are gonna stay white. We still haven't decided if we'll paint it red. But the skylight is still here so you can see our little dog. But we'll come back when it's more finished.
Lulu, do you like your house? Your new house? There's a heating pad inside to keep him warm. It's like a little barn house. With the skylights on both sides of the roof. Transparent roof so he can see through who's looking at him.